Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Fanduel, okay? So first things first, of course, you need to log in to your Fanduel account. You can do this on a web browser or the mobile app. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to navigate to the account settings. So on the app, you want to tap on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. Or on the website, you'll find it under your profile, a drop-down. Then what you want to look for is this section that is labeled security or two-factor authentication, just like this. And once you're in the two-factor authentication settings, you'll see the option to disable it. You want to tap or click on the turn off two-factor authentication, and FanDuel will likely prompt you to confirm this action. You just want to enter your password or verification code to complete the process. And after confirmation, guys, two-factor authentication will be turned off, and you can now log in without the second layer of security. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.